Here we have the turkey going in for its deep fat bath.
Got the crane.
Get the crane going. There we go. There it goes.
Dean's got the gun out in case he sets us on fire.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's a beautiful bird.
Oh, where do you see the bubbles?
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
You can smoke that phone.
No, that's not going to happen. The Android will not smoke.
Here we go. We'll have a first prize.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh.
Put it in smoke.
Hey, let me sneak around the other side of your ring.
Watch out, there's some ice in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Xmas and figuring stuff, only in American.
Stop, crackle, pop into your morning. So you don't just drop it in and slam the lid closed, huh?
No. It just lost both eyes.
There you go. Look at that. Slides right in there, nice and easy. That's what she said.
Ooh, good.
Oh, look at that bubbling goodness.
All right. Yeah. Deep fried turkey.
All right, nice job.
All right.
Chef Chow. I don't know what to call you people over here.
Spectators.
Spectators.